Are you inclined to believe that the devil is all the blame for all ungodly actions, to justify the shame, instead of accepting some accountability that it is the sin nature that will draw out the lust that is hidden from within? The devil can only instigate and tempt the fall, but we can choose to resist or allow this instigation. It is everyone's call. Some will come to the conclusion that it is self-induced desires that causes some of our suffering. Now, I am not ignorant to believe that the devil can't deceive. This is why we should do a spiritual examination, because the encounter could be a time for purification. So blaming the devil for all the wrongdoings could be just an old excuse for perpetual sinning.